My name is Stephanie Rosewood. I'm teaching on the Master's Programme at Photography Studies College. I really enjoy teaching on the Master's because we have a small community of students who are all working on very individual projects. And that means that everyone's really experimenting and exploring different parts of photography. The Master's is great because we allow that exploration to happen and it becomes very individual and tailored the programme to each student. And I think that's what I really love from a teaching perspective, because every single student is doing something different, keeps me on my toes. I learn lots of new things from them too. And also everyone's research is just really interesting and diverse, and that is part of why I love teaching generally, is just the research element. The Master's also starts with kind of like a 4-week intensive, which is great because it really just throws you into the community and it throws you into producing work and getting you to think about your ideas for your project. And really, like, a lot happens in that short amount of time. We have a lot of guests, both local and international. We go on various excursions to galleries and to publishers where you get introduced to people in the industry, which is really important. And we also have a really kind of interesting kind of community where everyone in the 3 different tiers of the Masters kind of comes together. The other thing that is great is the International Mentor Programme. So depending on where you're at with your project, we pair you with a mentor, either nationally or internationally again, to help you guide your project in that particular stage of its production. So whether or not it's in its initial stages or it's in its final outcome stages. In addition to the Master's Programme that you'd be studying, you also have the option to sit in on the Bachelor of Photography subjects as well. So if there's anything that Master's students particularly want to upskill in, technically or research-wise or anything like that, you have that option to kind of sit in on those different classes as well. So that is another wonderful thing about PSC, is that we are a small community and everyone is learning from each other, and we have that option to kind of move around the school and talk to whoever you want, and lots of teachers to learn from as well.